Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful smooshy and nail stamp design. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. So I'm going to use my favorite white by Sinful Colors called Snowy White. And the other three colors I'm going to use are by Wet n Wild. It's a yellow, a pink, and a blue. They don't have names because I got them in like a gift basket. I don't know why, but they just don't have names to them. So you can use any colors like that. On a sandwich bag, as you can see, I'm just applying white polish. And I'm making sure that polish is thick. Make sure it's thick because if not, it dries up fast and you won't be able to like smush it together. And I'm going to apply the pink, the yellow, and the blue. And I thought this was really easy because you mix those colors together. And the pink and the yellow make orange. The blue and pink make purple. And the yellow and blue make green. I hope I got that all right. But it's quick and it makes a nice colorful design. As you can see, I use a smaller stamper to smush those colors together and a larger one to pick it up. I like using larger stampers because, as you can see, I get more options on what design I want to place on my nails. Once I was done, I'm going to use my Born Pretty BPL-029 nail plate. It's a bunch of floral designs on this plate, but I thought this design was perfect. So as you can see, I placed some black stamping polish on it. I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to apply it on my nails. I have to say, this is one of my favorite looks. I love how this came out. It's perfect for springtime. You don't necessarily have to use the plate I used. You can use any plate that has florals on it. They have a whole bunch of floral plates out there. But I love how this came out. And I hope I made it easy for you to recreate because smushy is really easy to do. It's not a hard thing to do. You can do it with any color combos that you want. As you can see, I just placed that design on my nails. I removed the liquid latex. I cleaned around my nails and I applied a quick dry top coat. Like I said, I love how this came out. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to go to my Instagram and check out my Fun With My Nails page to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.